The Junkers Ju-88 was one of the most versatile and successful aircraft designs of World War II, serving the German Luftwaffe in a variety of roles from 1939 until the end of the conflict in 1945. Developed by Junkers, the Ju-88 was initially designed as a high-speed medium bomber, but evolved into a multi-role aircraft that excelled in bombing, dive bombing, night fighting, reconnaissance, and even as a heavy fighter or torpedo bomber. Its adaptability, combined with solid performance, made it a mainstay of the Luftwaffe throughout the war. The Ju-88 originated from a 1935 requirement by the German Air Ministry for a fast, twin-engine bomber capable of outrunning enemy fighters. The prototype, the Ju-88 V1, first flew on December 1936, powered by two Daimler-Benz DB-600 engines. Early testing revealed impressive speed, around 580 kilometers per hour or 360 miles per hour, but the design underwent numerous modifications to meet Luftwaffe demands, including the addition of dive brakes for precision bombing, which slowed its production timeline. The first production model, the Ju-88A1, entered service in late 1939, equipped with Junkers Jumo engines, which became standard for most variants. The aircraft featured a sleek all-metal construction with a crew of 4, pilot, bombardier, radio operator, and gunner, a maximum speed of about 470 kilometers per hour or 290 miles per hour, with a typical bomb load and a range of roughly 2,000 kilometers or 1,200 miles. Its versatility came at the cost of complexity, however, and early models suffered from production delays and technical issues, though these were largely resolved by 1941. The Junkers Ju-88 was a versatile aircraft used in various roles throughout World War II. It first saw action as a bomber during the invasion of Poland in 1939 and gained prominence in the Battle of Britain, where its speed and agility outperformed the Heinkel He 111, though it remained vulnerable to RAF fighters. The Ju-88 was also adapted for dive bombing, showcasing its capabilities in campaigns in Norway and France. Later, it evolved into a night fighter with radar and heavy armament, effectively defending against Allied night raids from 1943 onward. The Ju-88D series served in reconnaissance missions over Europe and North Africa. Additionally, it operated as an anti-shipping and torpedo bomber, attacking Allied convoys in the Mediterranean and Atlantic. On the Eastern Front, it supported ground operations by bombing Soviet cities and troop concentrations, benefiting from its ability to use rough airfields. Over 15,000 Ju-88s were built, making it one of the most produced German aircraft of the war. Its numerous variants, over 60 in total, reflected its adaptability. Production peaked in 1943 and 1944, despite Allied bombing of German factories, showcasing the aircraft's importance to the war effort. The Ju-88's longevity and flexibility earned it a reputation as the workhorse of the Luftwaffe. It outlasted many contemporaries and remained in production until Germany's surrender. While it couldn't single-handedly turn the tide of the war, especially as Allied air superiority grew, its effectiveness across multiple roles made it a formidable opponent. Post-war, a few Ju-88s were evaluated by Allied forces, but none saw significant use. Today, only a handful survive in museums, such as the Ju-88A1 at the RAF Museum in London and the Ju-88D at the National Museum of the U.S. Air Force in Ohio, serving as a testament to its engineering and wartime impact.